You're listening to Sniper Marketing AI. Today we're talking about launches and, more importantly, what happens after them. Specifically, how AI can help you debrief your campaigns so you learn faster every time you ship something. Launching is only half the game. The other half is asking, what did we learn? And how should we change next time? If you skip that part, you'll repeat the same mistakes and miss patterns that could make your next launch easier and more profitable. The problem is, debriefs can feel heavy. Data is scattered. Everyone has opinions. There are emails, ads, posts, landing pages, and calls to think about. This is where AI can act like a smart assistant, helping you synthesize. Step 1 is collecting the basics. Grab your main metrics: leads, sales, revenue, cost, conversion rates. Add timelines: when you promoted, when you opened and closed, what events happened. Include a sample of key creatives, best performing ads, emails, and pages. Finally, gather team notes. What felt good? What felt stressful? What broke? Step 2 is feeding that into AI and asking for a narrative. You can say, summarize this launch. What were the main results? What seemed to work? What seemed to underperform? AI will help you turn raw data and notes into a story. Which channels pulled their weight, which messages resonated, and where friction showed up. Step 3 is pattern spotting. Ask AI to compare this launch to previous ones if you have data. Did certain hooks consistently outperform? Did specific audiences or segments show up more? Were there common drop-off points in the funnel? AI can surface these patterns, giving you a short list of things to keep and things to reconsider. Step 4 is hypothesis and action. For example, our shorter emails had higher click rates, or our webinar replay generated more sales than the live session. Ask AI to suggest hypotheses and possible tests based on those patterns. Then you choose which ones to adopt as rules and which ones to test again. At Sniper Marketing AI, we help clients turn these lessons into updated playbooks: what to do more of, what to avoid, and what to test next. Over time, those playbooks make launching feel less like a guess and more like a refined craft. The point of using AI here isn't to outsource your judgment. It's to reduce the manual labor of reading through everything and combining numbers with notes. AI does the heavy lifting, so you can spend your energy deciding what changes to make. If you're running campaigns but rarely sitting down to understand what they're teaching you, you're leaving a lot of growth on the table. To build an AI-assisted launch debrief process with our team at Sniper Marketing AI, call 786-565-4749 or visit hsnipermarketing.ai. And for daily ideas on optimization, learning, and using AI to get smarter faster, follow at Sniper Marketing AI on your favorite platforms.